Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Hi, guys. I'm smiling already
You're always smiling at the beginning.
because I like this part. It feels like we're just sitting down with friends.
Yeah, like we just turned on the microphones and said, okay, let's talk.
Exactly. So if you're new here, hi, I'm Sam.
And I'm Wally,
And this is the One English Podcast,
the place where we practice real English,
not textbook English,
not robot English.
real conversation, natural conversation,
The kind you use every day,
in the supermarket,
at work,
at school.
or when you meet someone new and you don't know what to say.
Oh, that awkward moment.
Yes, that moment when you're standing there like,
So, yeah.
exactly.
And you're thinking, please say something, please.
That's what we're talking about today.
Yes, today's topic is how to make conversation.
Friendly English small talk.
Small talk sounds small.
But it's very important
Very important.
because small talk helps you start.
It opens the door.
You don't need big vocabulary.
You don't need perfect grammar
You just need simple sentences,
and confidence.
a little bit of courage.
Just a little.
And before we start, if you enjoy these episodes,
Don't forget to follow the podcast.
subscribe if you're watching on YouTube.
And maybe share this with a friend who says, I don't know how to speak English.
Yes, send it to them.
Say, listen to Wally and Sam.
We'll help you.
Slowly, naturally.
Okay, let's imagine something.
I love imaginary situations.
You are at a party.
Oh no.
Why, oh no?
Because I get shy at parties.
Really?
Yes, if I don't know people, I feel awkward.
That's normal. I feel awkward is a good sentence.
Yes, awkward means uncomfortable, a little strange.
You don't know what to say.
Exactly.
So, you're at a party, you have a drink in your hand,
I'm holding it like it's a shield.
a protection drink,
Yes.
and someone is standing next to you.
We look at each other for 2 seconds.
Too long.
Too long.
So, what do you say?
I panic.
No, today we don't panic.
Okay, we breathe.
Yes, first small tip, breathe.
Inhale, exhale.
Then you smile.
A small smile, not a crazy smile.
Not like a robot.
Hello, human.
No.
Okay, so I smile and say,
Hi.
that's it?
Yes, that's it.
Just hi?
Yes, small talk starts small.
Okay, hi.
And the other person says, hi.
Good. They didn't run away.
That's a good sign.
So what next?
You can say, have you tried the food?
That's good. Very social.
Have you tried the food?
Maybe they say, yes, it's really good.
And you say, I'll try it.
See, conversation is like tennis.
Back and forth.
Short sentences.
Simple questions.
You don't need long speeches.
Please don't give long speeches at parties. Yes, please don't.
Small talk is light,
Light and friendly.
not too serious.
You don't start with, what is the meaning of life?
No, not at the beginning.
Maybe later.
Maybe after cake.
So let's try another situation.
Okay.
You are in the elevator.
Oh, that's awkward.
Very awkward.
It's quiet. Too quiet.
You're looking at the numbers.
Pretending they are very interesting.
So what can you say?
Busy day?
That's good. Busy day?
Short and easy.
Or long day?
Yes, people like that one.
Because most days are long.
True.
They might say, yeah, very long.
And you say, same here.
Same here is powerful.
It means I feel the same.
It creates connection.
Small connection, but important.
That's the goal of small talk.
Not deep conversation.
Just connection.
So what if someone asks you, how are you?
The most common question.
And many learners freeze.
Yes, they panic.
But the answer can be simple.
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
That's it.
Or, I'm doing well.
Or even, not bad.
Not bad is very natural.
It doesn't mean bad.
It means okay.
Exactly.
And if you feel tired,
You can say, I'm a bit tired.
a bit means a little.
Yes, softer.
English people love soft answers.
Very true.
So let's imagine you meet your neighbor.
Oh, neighbor talk.
You open your door.
and they open their door at the same time.
Movie moment.
You both say, "Oh, hi."
And then silence.
Always silence.
So you say, how's it going?
That's friendly.
Very friendly.
It means, "How are you?" but more casual.
Yes.
They might say, "Good, just busy with work."
And you can say, yeah, work has been crazy lately.
That's a nice sentence. Work has been crazy lately.
It means recently.
Recently is a good word.
So small talk often uses time words.
Today, this week, lately.
This week has been busy.
Today was long.
Simple past, simple present.
You don't think, you just speak.
So what is the biggest problem with small talk?
Fear.
Yes.
Fear of making mistakes.
Fear of silence.
Silence feels scary.
But silence is normal.
Yes, 2 seconds of silence is okay.
You can smile
Take a breath.
and ask another simple question.
Where are you from?
Very common question.
But be careful.
Yes, say it kindly.
With a smile.
And if they say, I'm from Spain,
You can say, "Oh, I've never been to Spain."
or I'd love to visit.
That keeps it going.
So small talk is like building small bridges.
Not big buildings.
Small bridges between people.
I like that.
Me too.
And the more you practice,
The easier it feels.
at first it's scary.
But after many times,
It becomes normal.
like saying hi to your neighbor,
Or chatting in an elevator.
or talking to someone at a party,
You don't need perfect English.
you need simple, clear English.
And a little smile.
Don't forget the smile.
Very important.
Okay, I want to ask you something.
Oh no, what?
When was the last time you made small talk with a stranger?
Yesterday.
Really?
Yes, at the coffee shop.
What did you say?
The barista said, "Busy morning?"
Classic.
And I said, "Yeah, it's been nonstop."
Ooh, nice phrase.
Nonstop means no break.
That's very natural.
And then I said, "I need this coffee."
That's real life.
Very real.
And did you feel nervous?
Not really,
Why?
because it was short.
That's the secret.
Small talk is short.
You don't need to talk for 30 minutes,
Just a few sentences.
and that's enough.
So if you're listening right now,
And you're thinking, I'm shy.
that's okay.
Start small.
One sentence.
One smile.
One question.
And see what happens.
Yeah, because most of the time, nothing bad happens.
Exactly.
The other person usually answers.
And then you're like, oh, that wasn't so scary.
Yes, the fear is bigger than the moment.
That's such a good sentence.
It's true, though.
So let's continue our party situation.
Okay, I still have my drink.
You're still holding it like protection.
Yes, emotional support drink.
So you already asked, how do you know the host?
Yes,
You talked about work.
right.
Now, what if the conversation becomes quiet?
Oh no, the silence again.
The silence always comes.
It does.
So what can you say?
Maybe, "So, have you been here long?"
Ooh, good one.
That's common at events.
Have you been here long means did you arrive a long time ago?
Yes, you're asking about time.
They might say, no, I just arrived.
And then you say, "Oh, nice, me too."
Again, connection.
Or they say, "Yeah, I've been here since 6."
And you say, oh, wow, that's a long time.
See, you don't need something special.
Just react.
That's important. React naturally.
If they say something, show interest.
Like, "Really?" Or, "Oh, wow.
Yes, small reaction words.
That's cool.
That sounds fun.
That sounds interesting."
These phrases are gold
They're short but powerful.
because they show you listening.
And people like to feel heard.
Very true.
Okay, new situation.
I'm ready.
You're at work, it's Monday morning.
Oh, Monday.
You see your colleague in the kitchen.
We both look tired.
Very tired.
So I say, morning.
Yes, simple.
And they say, morning.
Then what?
How was your weekend?
Classic Monday question.
Everyone asks it.
How was your weekend?
And they say it was good.
And then silence.
Yes, because it was good is short.
So you can ask, "What did you do?"
That keeps it going.
They might say, "I just relaxed."
And you say, nice. Sometimes we need that.
That's friendly, supportive.
Or they say, I visited my family.
And you say, oh, that's nice. Do they live nearby?
Very natural follow-up question.
That's the secret.
Ask one more small question.
Not 10 questions.
Just one more.
So it doesn't feel like an interview.
Yes, small talk is not police questioning.
No, please no.
So let's talk about another common question.
Okay.
What do you like to do in your free time?
Oh, hobbies.
Yes.
That one can feel scary
Why?
because sometimes I feel boring.
You're not boring?
Thank you.
So if someone asks you that, what can you say?
I like watching movies.
Simple and honest.
Or I enjoy reading.
I enjoy sounds nice.
Yes, it's a little softer than I like.
You can also say, I spend a lot of time.
Oh, that's good. I spend a lot of time cooking,
I spend a lot of time at the gym.
even if it's not a lot.
Be honest, Sam.
Okay.
And after you answer, you can say, how about you?
Very important.
Always return the question.
Conversation is sharing.
Not only talking about yourself.
Yes, don't give a long speech about your cat.
Even if your cat is amazing.
My cat is amazing, though.
I know.
But yes, keep it balanced.
So now let's talk about when small talk feels fake.
Oh, interesting.
Sometimes people say, I hate small talk.
Yes, they say it's boring.
Why do you think that is?
Maybe because they think it's not real. Like saying nice weather when you don't care about the weather.
True.
But I think small talk is not about the topic.
It's about the connection.
Yes, the topic is simple.
The goal is comfort.
To feel comfortable with each other.
Exactly.
So even if you say it's really hot today,
You're actually saying, hi, I see you. Let's connect.
that sounds deep,
Maybe a little.
but it's true.
So if you're shy,
Let's talk about shy people.
okay,
If you're shy, you can prepare some sentences.
yes, that helps a lot.
For example, how was your day?
What are you working on these days?
Have you seen any good movies lately?
That's a great one.
Because most people watch something.
And if they say yes,
You can ask, what was it about?
very natural.
And if they say no, you say, me neither. Easy.
So small talk also happens in shops.
Yes, with cashiers.
They might say, did you find everything?
And you say, yes, thanks.
Or no, I couldn't find the milk.
That's real life English.
Very simple.
You don't need big words.
Let's practice a mini dialogue.
Okay,
I'll be the stranger.
I'm nervous already.
Hi, how's your day going?
It's going well, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, just a bit busy.
Yeah, it's been a busy week.
It has.
See, that was easy.
Very easy.
And it felt normal.
That's how it should feel.
Not like a test.
No tests here.
Just conversation.
So before we finish today,
Oh, are we finishing?
slowly,
Okay.
I want to remind everyone,
That small talk is practice.
yes, every small conversation is practice,
Even if it's 30 seconds.
especially if it's 30 seconds.
You don't need to be perfect.
You just need to try.
So this week,
Try one small conversation.
with the neighbor,
A colleague,
the barista,
anyone.
and use one simple question.
Like, how's your day going?
Or busy today?
Or how was your weekend?
And notice how people respond.
Most people are happy to talk.
They are.
And if it feels awkward,
That's okay.
awkward is normal.
We are awkward sometimes too.
Very often.
True.
But we keep talking.
And you can too.
So if you enjoyed this episode,
Don't forget to follow the One English podcast.
subscribe if you're watching.
And tell us in the comments, what small talk question do you use the most? How are you or something different?
We'd love to know.
We really would.
Okay, I feel like we just had small talk with everyone.
Yeah, and it felt good.
See? Small talk works.
It really does.